Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Have to be you will find spending a good life. Welcome back most to our YouTube channel. I introduce new ideas, beautiful things, crochet, baby caps, and these are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully you will enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video because it's are completely different to each other, and you will to have to pronounce beautiful and creativity ideas that are completely different to each other, and hopefully you will be enjoying my ideas. So friend, let's come, and I shared with you beautiful and nice innovative ideas are very beautiful and are completely dimension looking style beautiful ideas. So friend, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the red icon button which in this video I share with you, and you will be gain different criteria to watching my video which I shared with you in this video. And friends, I hope you enjoy my ideas which I share with you, beautiful unique designs that are completely different to each other, and I hope you will enjoy my different criteria. So friend, we will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video, and subscribe completely different to each other.